Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is a just primed 14 by 14 inch canvas. I'm going to give myself some Deco Art 24 karat gold. Random spots. Along with some dazzling white pearl from Deco Art also. I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm just having fun. I'd like to make things that are a little different than usual, but I suspect they'll be similar. This is Rhapsody Rose. This is Cerulean Blue. I'll remember what that is called and have written the name down. I might go sideways. I'd like to see what I've got. This is Fandango. This is Blue Velvet. I want some frozen amethyst. And I've got a palette knife. It's just that I'm not sure that there's enough paint for me to do what I want, so I'm going to add some more of the black. And those will be my starting places. Kind of want some orange in there too. And I did clean the top out of my saffron, so and since I've got that white down there, it's enticing me to put jasmine in. Water lily. Finally remembered. Now, do I want any turquoise or am I all set? Oh, I've got this Mysterious Mystique. I think that would be wonderful in there. What about the center? Can't leave it. Dancing Fuchsia, maybe, if it'll come out. Maybe. A little Tickled Pink since I'm right here. And that's going to leave me with either gold or white for choice. I'm tempted to use both. I'm going to start with the white. I want black too. Which I'm almost out of both. Come on, open. think I want a scrape dish. My colors are tremendous. I don't feel like wasting them. I want to do the same thing again. I don't see that the gold worked well, but I want to keep trying until it shows me quintessentially that it's not. I'm contemplating putting back whatever I take off, going in the wrong direction, and maybe adding some puddles. I'm going to try. If it's open. No, it's not. It was. It is now. I don't see any of the dancing fuchsia. That's wild. I'm going to try a little of the turquoise, Cobalt Turquoise Atelier. Not sure I'm done. I think I'm going to grab a little acetate tool. Choose my color. Which looks like it needs to be blown into to be released. So we'll try that. Interesting shapes. Am I done? I don't think so. I have a little orange, just a little. I think I want to use some of that. yellow orange. I'm sorry I'm not very talkative. Try the dancing fuchsia again and hope it works this time. I like transferring my residuals to other places. This reminds me a lot of a painting I did recently. I'm liking it a lot. I'm just not 100% sure I'm done yet. Are there any places I need to add spirals or dots? I can dot anything I want, really. I remember this paintball. It has a split on it. It makes little Miss Pac-Mans. Don't forget, you could always use the sharp end of a skewer, but you've got to be careful. Obviously. Looks like maybe it would be a good idea to torch. I don't think I need a whole lot of dots, just a few is probably enough. I love my colors. There, such as it is, I think it's done. Although I do have this other paint. Which I kind of wouldn't mind using. So as to not waste it. I don't know if that did any good at all. But I don't hate it, so I'm going to do it again and see if it helps. And now it's time to torch, and I'm glad I used GAC 800 because by Golden, because it'll keep it from cracking it where it's heavy. Hi, this is Priscilla. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you'd like to be super helpful, please join the membership. My art is for sale. I'm here to help. If you have questions, feel free to ask. I have 2 books on paint pouring. They're found in the Amazon link, and the Amazon link is found on the link tree in the description underneath the video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you come again. Bye for now. Priscilla out.